All right, I apologize for the mess you see here on my floor and all this here. But basically, what I'm gonna show you is my telescope. This is the Lunt 50 or the LS50 Tango T H alpha dedicated telescope. I installed a solar finder right here. It's called the Soul Searcher. I installed the Vixen SVBONY right here. What I'm gonna show you next is the feather touch focuser here, which I'm gonna replace with the helical focuser here. Then I'm gonna install the double stack filter up front. Then I install the B600 alpha filter with my camera ASI 120 mms CWO. So I'm gonna go one step at a time. First, the feather touch focuser. And this is live here. I never did this before, so ooh, that was pretty easy to take it out. Simple process. All you have to do is unscrew the helical focuser. Right here. Carefully, I'm gonna install it here. I just wanna show you how it looks like right there and how this looks like here. Just gonna replace it. Be very careful. Let me see, you can see in the camera, yeah. Very easy. I was expecting it's gonna be harder. Like I said, this is no rehearsal. This is live right there. As I go, I film it for you. And there we go. That's how it goes right there. Maybe there's a way to tilt this part with this Allen key, but I'm gonna leave it like that at this moment. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Then over here, I will connect the B600 filter with the camera, ASI 120 mms ZWO. It's a very easy process. In the other configuration, I was using this tape as a reference for back focus, but I'm gonna take it off and start from scratch when I test the equipment. I'm just gonna install it here. I'm trying to see where I'm gonna adjust. There we go. There's there's a key here. Let me see. Yeah, here you can see it. And I'm going to adjust the filter, and it's there. Okay, so far I got those two parts going. I'm taking the helical focuser and put it away for now in a plastic. I might use it back and forth depending on what type of pictures I want to obtain. Now the double stack filter, the Lunt Solar LS50 Charlie, this is an easy process. You just screw it up front. Be very careful. I want this equipment to last for my lifetime. I like to put my stuff in plastic, protect against dust. Let me show you the front of filter. Again, double stack filter right there. Put it back in. There we go. From the back, I unscrew this part here. Very careful. Right there, you can see that. And screw it here. Whoa, easy. Let me move the telescope. There we go. Have a better angle. There we go. I found it. Now I found. Whoa! I thought I found it. Do it again. I think I found it. There we go. Careful, careful. I don't want to mess up the telescope. There we go, right there. Okay. And that's it. I connected the LS50 Charlie double compact filter, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Yes, the LS50 Charlie compact double stack filter. I connected to the Lunt LS50 Tango or T solar telescope. And in my prior video, I show you how to install the solar searcher, which I did, and also I installed in the prior video the Vixen here from SVBONY. Great product. And you just saw me installing the feather touch focuser that I replaced when I replaced the helical focuser with this feather touch focuser. The filter, the big 600 blocking filter, the camera is ASI 120 mm. So now what I need to do is, in my next day of clear skies, test this equipment, and I'll be back and I'll give you a little review. Now, on this part here, I might be able to move the focuser down, but for now I'm gonna leave it like that because it looks like it's easier for me when I'm shooting the sun. I think this is a easy position to deal with, so I'm not gonna even touch it for now. So this concludes this presentation here. If you have any questions, give me a comment, and I'll be glad to give you my best advice as I know at this moment. Thank you very much, and clear skies.